On 14th December 2022, 4 MLAs from Meghalaya had officially joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in the presence of the senior leader of the party, Nadda, in New Delhi. The 4 include the TMC MLA, Hima Shangpliang, 2 MLAs of the National People's Party, Benedict, Marak and Ferlin Sangma, and independent MLA Samuel Sangma. Today, senior leaders of the Meghalaya State BJP, that included State President Ernest Mauri, the MLA of South Shillong constituency Sanbor Shulai, the MLA of Panthor Umkhra A.L. Heg, and others had welcomed the new members at the party office in Shillong.
Yes, hi friends. Well, the decision to join the BJP is mainly because of the changes that we want to bring in the state, the development that we want to give to the people. There is a lot that we should be doing for the state. The roads and communication that we want to bring. We want to bring bigger roads. We want to build bridges. We want to give roads to the rural areas. The PMGSY right now is also not extended to most of the rural areas. We would like to see an extensive development of rural roads in the next 5 years. And we would like to bring medical colleges, engineering colleges, wherein the youths of the state would get an opportunity to study in these colleges instead of going outside the state to study. Getting seats in medical colleges and engineering colleges have become a big pain and big problem for our youth. If we have our own colleges, it would be a lot beneficial for them. We would like to bring a lot of development for the rural areas as well, wherein we would like to give rural housing for the poor. The JJM would have to go in a more larger scale, though it is being implemented now. We would like to see every household getting a water connection. We would like to see many other developments in the health sector as well. We need good hospitals in the state. We would like to have a massive cancer hospital coming up. We would like to know a lot of schools to come up. In fact, government schools, government colleges should be coming up. Therefore, if I count the list, it is endless. There is a lot of things for us to do. And this can be possible only through the help of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, because it is through his hands and through his visions and dreams that we can convert Meghalaya under the banner of the BJP. And that is why I joined the BJP.